Yamaha XSR700, 2015 to 2021, review. Easy, approachable handling. The 2015 to 2021 Yamaha XSR700 is essentially a styling exercise. That's not a problem because its base bike, the MT-07, is already a fantastic machine that marries a 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with a lightweight chassis in an economical package. Yamaha's retro-style XSR700 simply broadened the appeal of the MT-07 and opened it up to a wider audience, namely those who are growing out their beards and getting into the retro scene. The Neo-Retro XSR looks refined, it's classy and handles superbly, and does it all for an extremely attractive price tag. Brilliant! There's a thriving online community for this bike at the Yamaha XSR700 forums. Why not join up to meet like-minded owners? In 2020, a new dynamic white livery was revealed for the XSR700. Ride quality and brakes. The XSR is an incredibly easy-to-handle machine, thanks mainly to its lightweight, smooth engine and predictable throttle response. And if stars were handed out for fun factor, the XSR would get 5 of them, but unfortunately the suspension and in particular the rear shock starts to struggle as the pace increases. Just like Yamaha's other middleweights of this era, everything up to the 2021 MT-07 in fact, the XSR700 suspension is the one place where its budget nature can be felt. Even with the preload cranked to maximum, the rear shock is soft and underdamped, meaning it bounces through bumps and can tie itself in knots through undulating corners. Many owners have upgraded the unit to address this issue. Engine. The MT-07 has been praised for its wide spread of power and easy-to-use torque, and the same credit has to be heaped onto the XSR. The twin's peak output of 74 brake horsepower is more than enough for the switchbacks, while its impressively strong mid-range is ideal for processing the mountain turns. Reliability and build quality. The CP2 engine used in the Yamaha XSR700 has been around for a long time, first in the MT-07 and later the Tenere 700, and is well known for reliability. Despite being priced at the budget end of the spectrum, the build quality is excellent and you should have no problems from a well-serviced used model. Value versus rivals. The new XSR700 was priced at £6,249, £500 more than the ABS-equipped MT-07. Even at that price, it's still excellent value for money. The price tag is competitive and £1,000 cheaper than its main rival, the Ducati Scrambler 800. Other rivals could include the Triumph Street Scrambler and the Fantic Caballero 500 Scrambler. The question is whether or not customers think the bike is £500 cooler than the MT. With an array of optional extras, an easily modifiable base bike, sweet finishing touches like logos on the seat, tank and casings, an all-day comfy riding position and an incredibly engaging motor, it's certainly close. Equipment. Unlike the standard MT-07, ABS comes as standard on the XSR. Other than that, the XSR is a pretty basic machine, in keeping with the retro style of the bike. It's available in dynamic white and tech black, and there are 50 optional extras available via Yamaha's website, including Öhlins suspension parts and LED indicators.